here it is, the RCA terminals. White, red, orange, black. Here are the pins in the bottom. The distance on these pins, 5.16 millimeters. 5.19. Oh, 5.2. Operation. We have these two metal posts coming down. Those are in the far back. The middle is the middle, and the ones in the front are the ones in the lower leg. Maybe that's a better angle in here so you can see these things go down the back, the middle, as in the front posts. I did at one time I thought that those were connected to the middle, but they are not. There is a break in them. There's a gap. Let's see, I'm moving that. Totally, that one's totally isolated as well. And it appears, now that I'm doing this, that this post on the top, if you look at it directly, this one in here, here's the hole. It's connected directly to that. Same with this. So this would be the center, and this is the outside edge connecting. Then you have these tabs in here, so you want to drill in your PC board. Make sure those tabs go in there. I have two of them there. All right.